In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue with your earphones or headphones not working on calls, so you can't hear the other person. So this is usually an issue not with your mobile phone, uh, but rather your actual device they're using to talk or listen. But here are just a few solutions that can help you solve this and make sure it's not the mobile phone's issue. So let's go to our settings app, and then over here you just want to go to the you want to update the your phone. So just click on software update available if you're on iPhone. Of course, if you're on Android, it'll be some other place. And as you can see, I have an update, so make sure you update it to the latest version. And after that, you just want to check your device through Bluetooth. If it's a Bluetooth device, you want to check Bluetooth. So let's look here where Bluetooth is. So it's right here. And as you can see, you just try and connect it and reconnect it and just do these normal solutions. Otherwise, it's an issue with your device itself and not the phone. But that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.